Hello, I'm Micah Hill, the Interactive Editor-in-Chief for Fertility and Sterility, and I'm here with Judy Stern, who had a highlighted prize oral abstract at ASRM 2019. Judy, tell us about your research.
Well, we know that prematurity is known to be increased in ART patients and in subfertility. And what we did in this study was to look at a number of factors that lead to prematurity and to evaluate those in the context of whether or not subfertility and ART influence these or are influenced by them. And what we found overall was that placental problems were one of the biggest drivers of prematurity. Chronic hypertension and pregnancy hypertension were sort of next in line. And then the gestational diabetes and placental bleeding of various sorts were next, followed by subfertility and assisted reproduction. So these clearly cause prematurity, but not to the extent of some of these other factors. But when we took out placental problems, we saw effects on both bleeding and assisted reproductive technology and subfertility. So we wanted to explore that further, and in order to do that, we did what's called a mediation analysis. And what we found when we did this is that although we have a direct effect of both subfertility and ART, we also had a clearly significant indirect effect in all cases. The percent mediation, which is the percent of the total outcome mediated through placental problems, was 15% for late preterm delivery for ART and 32% for early preterm delivery. So what it looks like is sort of in conclusion is that placental problems are the biggest driver. Chronic hypertension and pregnancy hypertension are other large drivers of prematurity. ART and subfertility affect prematurity, but to a lesser extent than these. And that a portion of that ART and subfertile effect, particularly the ART effect, is mediated through placental problems.
It's fantastic. As always, wonderful research from you. We appreciate you sharing it with us on fertility and sterility, and please log into the Dialogue site to check out this video and others. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's awesome.
Was that good?
Yeah, that's perfect.